Hi everyone, Bună tuturor, and welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wondered what Romanians have for breakfast? This is what we are going to explore in this video. You're also going to learn lots of new vocabulary. So whether you are learning Romanian or planning on visiting Romania or going to a Romanian restaurant, hopefully you're going to find this video useful. If that's going to be the case, please do consider subscribing to my channel. And also, please do let me know in the videos what you have for breakfast in your country. Let's get started. So, the first dish that Romanians have for breakfast, this is quite popular, is pâine cu unt și jam. So this is bread with butter and jam. Pâine cu unt și jam. Let's have a look at the vocabulary. So, pâine means bread in Romanian. Cu means with. Cu. Then unt, butter. Unt. Și means and. Și. And then jam is jam. Jam. So, pâine cu unt și jam is bread with butter and jam. Pâine cu unt și jam. Another popular dish used at breakfast time is lapte cu cereale. Milk with cereal. Lapte cu cereale. So, lapte is milk. Lapte. Cu, we mentioned it earlier as well, means with. Cereale, cereal. Cereale. So, lapte cu cereale, milk with cereal. Lapte cu cereale. Also, sometimes Romanians prefer having hot milk at breakfast time. Hot milk is lapte cald. Lapte cald. Let's move on. And here we have brânză, roșii și castraveți. Brânză, roșii și castraveți. So, here the vocabulary is the following. Brânză, which means cheese. Brânză. Then, roșie, tomato. Roșie. However, if you want to use the plural, tomatoes, that's going to be roșii. Roșii. So, tomato, roșie, tomatoes, roșii. And then, castravete is the cucumber. Castravete. If you want to use the plural, so cucumbers, that's going to be castraveți. Castraveți. So, cucumber, one, castravete, cucumbers, the plural, castraveți. Okay? So, brânză, roșii și castraveți means cheese, tomatoes, and cucumbers. I also want to mention here that Romanians love cheese. They absolutely love it. And telemea is one of the most favorite kind of cheese. Okay? Telemea, brânză, telemea. It's a saltier version of the feta cheese. Brânzetele mea. Then we have omletă cu cașcaval. Omletă cu cașcaval. I'm actually quite hungry now. So, omletă means omelette. This is quite easy. So, omletă. Cu, we mentioned it earlier as well, means with. And then cașcaval. Cașcaval, so cașcaval, it's a type of Romanian hard cheese that you must try if you go to Romania. So, omletă cu cașcaval. Omletă cu cașcaval. Of course, an omelette is made of eggs. You also might want to know so how to say egg in Romanian, and is ou. Ou. It's also quite popular to have a boiled egg at breakfast time. Boiled egg in Romanian is ou fiert. Ou fiert. Then we have mezeluri. Mezeluri. And here, so in the mezeluri, mezeluri means charcuterie. So mezeluri, so we might have salam, which is salami. Salam. Then parizer. Parizer, this is a type of salami. Parizer. Maybe șuncă, which is the ham. Șuncă. And sausage, cârnat. Cârnat. Okay, so these are mezeluri. Mezeluri. And also iaurt cu cereale și fructe. Okay, so if you want something lighter, then you go for iaurt cu cereale și fructe. So iaurt is the yogurt. Iaurt cu, with. Cereale, we mentioned cereale earlier as well, so cereal. Cereale. Și, we said earlier as well that it means and. Și. And fructe, fruits. Fructe. So together, iaurt cu cereale și fructe means yogurt with cereal and fruits. Okay, once again, iaurt cu cereale și fructe. And what do Romanians drink in the morning? So we said earlier, hot milk, which is, once again, do you remember hot milk? Lapte cald. Lapte cald. Or maybe coffee. Cafea. Cafea. Or tea. Ceai. Ceai. All right, and enjoy your meal in Romanian is poftă bună. Poftă bună. That's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching it. To be honest, I'm very hungry now, so I'm going to go and eat something. I hope that you enjoyed the video and you learned lots of new vocabulary, and also now you know what Romanians eat at breakfast time. What do people eat in your country for breakfast? Please do let me know in the comments. Thank you very much for watching this video. Mulțumesc frumos, and I'm going to see you in the next one. Pa, pa!